Okay, let us solve the remaining problems. Farah got married 8 years ago. Today her age is 127 times her age at the time of marriage. At present, her daughter's age is 1/6 of her age. What was her daughter's age 3 years ago? Okay, let the present ages be x and y. X for Farah and y for her daughter. Okay. She got married 8 years ago. Today her age is 127 times her age at the time of marriage. That is, x is equal to 1/2/7 times 8 years ago. X minus 8. Okay. At present, her daughter's age is 1/6 of her age. That is, y is equal to 1/6 x. What was her daughter's age 3 years ago? That is, what is y minus 3? So, this is the question. Okay. Now, let us calculate x and substitute here so that we will find y, and finally we can calculate y minus 3. This is quite simple. So, we shall rearrange. X is equal to 1/2/7 can be written as 9/7 x minus 8. Therefore, 7x is equal to 9x minus 9 8s are 72. Therefore, 2x is equal to 72, x is equal to 36. Therefore, y will be equal to 1/6 of x, that is 6. They are asking y minus 3. Y minus 3 is equal to 6 minus 3, 3. The answer is 3 years. Option B. Next question. The age of a mother today is thrice that of her daughter. After 12 years, the age of her mother will be twice that of her daughter. The present age of daughter. Okay. Let us assume the present ages as x and y for mother and daughter. Okay. The age of mother today is thrice that of her daughter. That is, x is equal to 3y. After 12 years, the age of the mother will be twice that of her daughter. That is, x plus 12 is equal to twice y plus 12. So, when we calculate the age after 12 years, we have to add 12 to both x and y. Now, we shall solve this. X plus 12 is equal to 2y plus 24. Therefore, x minus 2y is equal to 12. So, we shall substitute x equal to 3y here. 3y minus 2y is equal to 12. Y is equal to 12. And x is equal to 3y. 3 into 12, which is 36. They are asking the present age of daughter. That is, what is the value of y? Y is equal to 12 years. Option A. Next question. The ratio between the ages of Ram and Mohan is 4:5, and that between the ages of Ram and Anil is 5:6. If the sum of the ages of 3 is 69 years, what is Mohan's age? Okay. There are 3 characters here, Ram, Mohan and Anil. So, let us represent their ages as R, M and A. That is present ages. R, M, A. R for Ram, M for Mohan and A for Anil. Okay. They are saying the ratio of ages of Ram and Mohan is 4:5. R by M is equal to 4/5. Next. And that between Ram and Anil is 5:6. R by A is equal to 5/6. The sum of the ages of 3 is 69 years. That is, R plus M plus A is equal to 69. Now, here we have to convert everything into single variable. The common variable here in both is R. So, let us write everything in terms of R. Here M will be equal to 5/4 of R. Again, here A will be equal to 6/5 of R. So, let us represent everything as R. R plus M is 5/4 R plus 6/5 R is equal to 69. We can take R common. 1 plus 5/4 plus 6/5 is equal to 69. Let us solve this. R into the LCM is 20. This will be 20. Next will be 5 into 5. And next will be 6 into 4 is equal to 69. R by 20 into this will be 20 plus 25 plus 24. 69. So, this numerator is 69. R by 20 is equal to 69. This will get cancelled. R is equal to 20. That is the age of Ram is 20. They are asking what is the Mohan's age. M is equal to 5 by 4 R, which is equal to 5 by 4 R is 20. 5 times this will be 25. Answer is C, 25 years. Next question. Tom's son's age is 1/3 of Tom's wife's age. Tom's wife's age is 4/5 of Tom's age and Tom's age is 3/5 of Tom's father's age. Find the age of Tom's son if Tom's father is 50 years old. Okay. Here there are 4 characters. Tom, Tom's son, Tom's wife and Tom's father. So let it be A, B, C, D. These are the present ages. Okay. Now let us write the equations one by one. Tom's son's age is 1/3 of Tom's wife's age. That is B is equal to 1/3 of C. Tom's son's age is 1/3 of Tom's wife's age. Here we can see the representation. Next, Tom's wife's age is 4/5 of Tom's age. That is C is equal to 4/5 of Tom's age A. Next, Tom's age is 3/5 of Tom's father's age. A is equal to 3/5 of Tom's father's age. That is D. Okay. They are asking find the age of Tom's son. That is what is the value of B. If Tom's father is 50 years old, that is D is equal to 50. Then this means A is equal to 3 by 5 into 50, which is 30. Next, if A is 30, C is equal to 4/5 into 30. This will be 6 times. This is 24. Next, finally B. B will be 1/3 of C, that is 24, which is equal to 8. So the answer is 8 years. So that is the age of Tom's son. Okay. Next question. Ratio between the ages of Salim, Ahmad and Rafi is 3:6:7. If the difference between the ages of Ahmad and Rafi is 10 years, then what is the difference between the ages of Salim and Ahmad? Okay. Let the ages be 3x, 6x and 7x for Salim, Ahmad and Rafi. Salim, Ahmad, Rafi. The ages are 3x, 6x and 7x. Whenever ratio is given, you can write in this format. Okay. If the difference between the ages of Ahmad and Rafi is 10 years, that is 7x minus 6x is equal to 10 years. They are saying only the difference, not with respect to the order. So we have to find out the maximum minus minimum. That is 7x minus 6x is equal to 10. Therefore, x is equal to 10. They are asking what is the difference between the ages of Salim and Ahmad. So between Salim and Ahmad, Ahmad is elder. Therefore, the difference is 6x minus 3x, which is equal to 3x. X is equal to 10. Therefore, the answer is 30 years. Answer is option D. Okay. We shall finish the remaining problems in next lecture. Thank you.